What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video we got a Toyota Corolla with a bad battery. So the battery goes down really fast, so this customer bought a new battery. Got it right there. This is 640 cold cranking amp, AC Delco 35 group, PS 35. So I got my jump box right there. It's got ground touching the chassis there on the engine mount. So what I want to do is, it is very critical for me to save the memory. So what I like to do is I just put a jump on, and this is going to give power to the system all times. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove this bracket. I got my, and the phone had to ring at this moment, but it's okay, that phone can wait. We're going to take off this 10 millimeter. On this side you're supposed to have a 10 millimeter, but they put this butterfly, and this thing usually just comes right off. And so the bracket is off. So what we need to do now is we need to remove. So this customer had this battery. The battery keeps going. I told the customer it could be bad alternator. The alternator, I think, is giving too much power, and I tried to explain that to the customer, and they got light all times. And so too much is no good for the battery either. So what we're doing here is we're giving power to the system at all times. I want to release the two 10 millimeters. The positive cannot touch anywhere in the metal, so if somebody can help you, usually I have somebody help me, but in our case we don't have another person, so I just want to let it sit right there gently. The ground can touch anytime, anywhere, doesn't matter. I am going to reuse these little guys she has. She wants me to save that. So this guy comes right off. So the reason why I put a jump box on is because I want to save the memory. Sometimes once you change the battery, if you got a Lexus or a Toyota, you're gonna have a stall after that. Your idle is gonna drop. Okay, you don't want that. So we're gonna grab the new battery. We're gonna bring it over, and all you're gonna do is put this battery in slowly and gently. My negative just got stuck under the battery. Okay, that didn't go well on my end. Okay, there you go. So the plate in the bottom is kind of moving around. I don't like that. So I'm gonna take this back out. Didn't want that to happen, but this plate in the bottom has to sit flush, or you're gonna have trouble. So this thing is not gonna be flush because it's not even probably for this car. So I'm gonna swap that out. Some mechanics like to play games with customers' cars. You don't want to do that, okay? It's better to work on your own car. So let's remove the negative. Let's remove this. So what I like to use is this tool right here. You take this off, and I like to clean the terminals in here. Very simple and easy. It's a brand new battery, so you don't have to clean. You could use this end to clean this. It's good for old batteries if you want to clean the stuff. So what I like to do here is let's clean our negative terminal as well. A poor connection would cause a car not to start up or have weak, it will feel like it's a weak battery. So let's put the positive in. Oh, you know what? The little guys, the red goes on the positive, the black one goes on negative. So let's put this baby in. What I want to do here is I want to lock this up right now before we go any further. So all I'm doing is tightening up the positive. You can't take off the terminal, the jump box. So once we have this one, you can remove your little guy over there. So I do want to get something to tap this down with. So I'm gonna go get me a this little hammer because I want to tap down on this. Or I might just, let me loosen it up a bit more. Okay. And then I'll tap it down. There you go, perfect. And I'm gonna lock it up now. Okay, that's why I have the wrench, so if this doesn't fit, I don't want these two touching. Even if you have a tool, it cannot touch. Okay, so this guy is in. Okay, I'm losing that. There you go. Now since the battery's in, we can take the jump box off. We never lost power to this baby. So what we want to do next is we're gonna take our bracket, bring the battery a little bit over, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the 10 millimeter here. And in the back end, I want to put this little guy, and I'm gonna lock this up. So that's it. You lock both of these up, you're all good to go. Your car should start up. Don't leave this loose because it'll turn and hit the positive, so you don't want that. Make sure it's nice and tight. So make sure you catch the bottom little hole, which I need light for, but in the camera I can't see. But anyway, we're all done. Thank you for watching this video. And that's how you're gonna replace the battery on this baby. So just tighten these two up and you're good to go. And make sure everything is clean. And one last thing, battery protection. This little guy right here, there's a part number for it. And this works really well. I like to spray this onto my terminals, prevents rust, all kinds of stuff, gives a good connection. That's it, bada bing, bada boom. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Stay tuned for more videos. Let me put this away. And bye-bye. See you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.